Back on Average Flatlander. Today we're going to find out what that big object is. We discovered something out here last time we were curious about. We're not really sure what it is, but it looks kind of like a structure. The snow is really melted off. You see there's not a lot of snow left. I brought a drone so I can fly over there and complete the mission. I brought my crew with me. They're over there. I think I found a great launch site. It's nice and dry. Soft sands. Is this the Royal Caribbean?
Once to a Flatlander down in Shenandoah, a quiet little house in the woods down the road. Government came and tore to the stones, tried to put it back, but the peace was gone. Where the Flatlanders go to get high, don't go to mountains where the eagles fly, go to the river or tall hillside, or a creek in the woods if the river's too high.
I don't know if I feel any closer to knowing what that was. I mean, I guess I have some theories, like maybe Bigfoot smashed somebody's house in a boot on the river or something. But could also just be a question better left to architects and philosophers. The solution being, of course, coffee. Cheers!
Cheers.
How does it taste, girls?
It tastes so good. Did you literally took a picture of you drinking that?
I've got plenty of film of me drinking things.
Yeah. You always have plenty.